Hello and welcome to channel Apple Guruji. Today I'll be teaching you the basics of iMovies. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more such tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Open the iMovies application and click on Create New and select Movie option. Now you have to import the video files which has to be edited. Click on the Import Media option and select the video. Click on Imported Selected once you have selected the required video. Drag and drop the imported video clip to the bottom as shown in the video. Now move the timeline slider to get a zoomed view of the video, which eases the editing process and makes it easier to select the exact part of the video which has to be edited. Select the part of the video which has to be edited and right-click on that spot. Select Split Clip option. Select another part in the video and split that too using right-click and Split Clip option. You can adjust the timeline slider to further zoom in on the video part which has to be edited. Now select the clip which was split. Select the shown option on the top right side to slow down the video or speed up the video. Sometimes video has to be slowed down for viewers to easily understand the process or speed up the unnecessary part in that video so that you don't waste time of your viewers. When you speed up or slow down a video, the voice becomes distorted. You can remove the sound for better viewer experience. Just right-click and select the Detach Audio option. You can select any part of the video which has unpleasant sound and detach audio from that part and delete it. If you don't want to delete the audio, you can reduce its sound or increase the sound as per the need and requirement. You can follow the same procedure on multiple places where the audio has to be deleted or volume has to be reduced. This is a very great tool for removing background noise too. To add a title or any text in the video, go to the title option and drag and drop the desired title format onto the video. You can type the required title or text and change its size, color or orientation. You can place the text exactly where you need it. Even the fonts can be changed. Just type the required title and select the type text and change its size as shown. I will make an in-depth video on how to edit the text. Once the editing is done, click on the arrow on the top right corner and click on File option. Give a title to your video and add the required description. Adding title and description is very important, especially when you are uploading it on YouTube, as the reach of the video depends on the title and description too. YouTube considers this while pushing it to your viewers. Make sure to keep it short and on point. You can also change the resolution of the video as per your requirement. The size of the video changes as per the selected resolution. I shoot all my videos on 4K for better clarity. Now click on the next option to select the location where the video has to be saved. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more such informative tutorials. See you in my next video. If you want me to make a video on any feature or application on iOS or Mac, let me know in the comments section or message me on Instagram. I will make a video and help you choose the right app to do the job.